मैं बाजार जा सकती थी।
I could have gone to market.
मैं बाजार नहीं जा सकती थी।
I could not have gone to market.
क्या मैं बाजार जा सकती थी?
Could I have gone to market?
क्या मैं बाजार नहीं जा सकती थी?
Could I not have gone to market?
मैं बाजार क्यों जा सकती थी?
Why could I have gone to market?
मैं बाजार क्यों नहीं जा सकती
Why
थी?
could I not have gone to market?
तुम बाजार जा सकते थे।
You could have gone to market.
तुम बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे।
You could not have gone to market.
क्या तुम बाजार जा सकते थे?
Could you have gone to market?
क्या तुम बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे?
Could you not have gone to market?
तुम बाजार क्यों जा सकते थे?
Why could you have gone to market?
तुम बाजार क्यों नहीं जा सकते थे?
Why could you not have gone to market?
हम बाजार जा सकते थे।
We could have gone to market.
हम बाजार नहीं जा सकते
We
थे।
could not have gone to market.
क्या हम बाजार जा सकते थे?
Could we have gone to market?
क्या हम नहीं बाजार जा सकते थे?
Could we not have gone to market?
हम बाजार क्यों जा सकते थे?
Why could we have gone to market?
हम बाजार क्यों नहीं जा सकते थे?
Why could we not have gone to market?
वे बाजार जा सकते थे।
They could have gone to market.
वे बाजार नहीं जा सकते
They
थे।
could not have gone to market.
क्या वे बाजार जा सकते थे?
Could they have gone to market?
क्या वे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे?
Could they not have gone to market?
वे बाजार क्यों जा सकते थे?
Why could they have gone to market?
वे बाजार क्यों नहीं जा सकते थे?
Why could they not have gone to market?
वह बाजार जा सकता था।
He could have gone to market.
वह बाजार नहीं जा सकता
He
था।
could not have gone to market.
क्या वह बाजार जा सकता था?
Could he have gone to market?
क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा सकता था?
Could he not have gone to market?
वह बाजार क्यों जा सकता था?
Why could he have gone to market?
वह बाजार क्यों नहीं जा सकता था?
Why could he not have gone to market?
वह बाजार जा सकती थी।
She could have gone to market.
वह बाजार नहीं जा सकती
She
थी।
could not have gone to market.
क्या वह बाजार जा सकती थी?
Could she have gone to market?
क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा सकती थी?
Could she not have gone to market?
वह बाजार क्यों जा सकती थी?
Why could she have gone to market?
वह बाजार क्यों नहीं जा सकती
Why
थी?
could she not have gone to market?
Well done.